Most campers give up on fires when everything's soaked from rain. They waste hours trying to dry out wet ground and soggy kindling. But experienced outdoors people know a simple trick. Build your fire on a platform instead of the ground. Find a fallen log or thick branch. Split it lengthwise with your hatchet to expose the dry wood inside. Now build your entire fire on top of this raised dry surface. The platform keeps your kindling and tinder completely off the wet ground. Air flows underneath, and you're starting with bone-dry wood from the split log. Choose a log that's at least 6 inches thick and longer than your planned fire. Split it down the middle, flat side up. Arrange your tinder and kindling on the platform just like normal, but now everything stays dry. As the platform burns, it actually feeds your fire from below. No more scraping away wet leaves. No more waiting for ground to dry. Same fire building skills, just elevated above the moisture. Every experienced camper builds platforms in wet conditions.